Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoin Briefing. So in this video we are going to check out Pepe Ascension once again. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So final countdown to listing, whether you are already holding PEAP or watching from the sidelines. The biggest update yet are here to shake the entire chain. Listing on 31st of October is confirmed. 5 top tier CEX as well as DEX listings are now confirmed. Listing price is rumored to be at $3, 100x potential. Current price is still very low. As you know, the initial price is $0.003, current price is $0.027, and the listing price is $3. The community rewards are also really good, so make sure you check it out and pay attention onto it. PEAP has raised over 10,000 Ether and 5% of it is going straight into the dual rewards pool. Total rewards could surpass $2 million. You can check out their Ether scan multi-chain layer, and here you can check out, we had opened it and you can see they have approximately $2 million in their multi-chain account. So if Ether hits $5,000 on listing day, every PEAP holders get rewarded into the Ether. If it doesn't, you still win with rewards in PEAP backed by 10% of the tokenomics. So Ether at 4.3k right now, and it's still very close to 5k. As you can check out the Ted Pillows X handle, and he is also telling that also Ether has been on rise lately. Layer 2 ecosystems are hailing fast. The rise of Ether will boost layer 2 tokens, and PEAP is one of them. Also, they are providing an amazing bonus, so make sure you check it out. The early and bigger you buy, the higher your bonus tier will be. Buy now and get 15% bonus on the PEAP. It's limited time offer, so make sure you avail this offer as well. Also, you can check out Zero Cut Launchpad. PEAP is launching with 0% fees on its own custom built launchpad text. Not just another listing, PEAP is building its own launchpad tailored for meme fueled tokens and future community products. This isn't a side feature, it's a core part of the PEAP ecosystem. So what does this mean? This means that there is 0% buy and sell tax on PEAP's native launchpad. Also, you can check out instant trading, the movement DG Eco's life ecosystem tools built to support beam liquidity and viral growth. No middleman, no restrictions, 100% transparent as well. Also, I want to tell you about the staking feature. They have an amazing 150% APY staking, so means your tokens will grow 2.5x in just 1 year with compounding. If the price pumps, multi-layer gains. If PEAP price rises while you are earning 150% of the APY, your total gains must be far beyond that 150%. For example, if you bought a 1000 PEAP at current price, which is 0.027, it will become $27 initially, but after staking for 1 year, your PEAP tokens will increase up to 2500 PEAP. And for example, the listing price is $3, it stays there for an year or that, so you will get $7,500. This is 277x returns on your initial. Also, I want to tell you to follow the social media handles. You can check out the X handle as well as Telegram handle and Twitter channel as well. So make sure you follow them on their social media handles as well, so that you don't miss any of the amazing news about this amazing product. Also, if you search Pepe Ascension on the YouTube, you can see thousands of videos about this product. Because every crypto YouTuber is making videos about this product, because this product is currently too hype. It's game changer. It's one of the best. So make sure you do some on research on this product as well, and if you like, you can participate into the pre-sale as well. Also, make sure you check out them on the X handle as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon with another amazing and awesome product review. So till then, take care and have a nice day.